so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and it's a really rainy day outside today. But it's nice and dry in here. Whoa, and check it out. We're here at Adano's Gelati in London, England. Today, we get to learn all about gelato. Yummy. I think it's right over there. Let's go take a closer look. Come on. Whoa, I think I see someone who can help us get some gelato. Oh, hi there. I'm Blippi. What's your name?
My name is Christian. Welcome to Adano's.
Oh, thank you. And do you work here?
Well, I'm the owner.
Whoa, that's amazing. Well, it's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well, I was hoping to get some gelato today and escape the rain outside. Do you think I could try some?
Yes, indeed.
Oh, great. Whoa, is that it over here?
Yes, it is.
Whoa, check it out. Real gelato. Yeah, do you see it? There are so many flavors. What flavor would you like to try? That sounds really tasty. Well, and look, yeah, there's hazelnut with real hazelnuts on it. And pistachio with pistachios. Ooh, and, whoa, I think you know what flavor that is. Chocolate, yum! Well, all this gelato looks so yummy, but I also see some over here that's really brightly colored. It's yellow and red and orange. Is that gelato too?
Well, that's sorbet, which is dairy-free gelato, and because it's dairy-free, the colors are much sharper.
Whoa, gelato and sorbet. I want to try it all. Do you think we can taste some now?
Of course.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, look at what it is, gelato. Christian, can I try this?
Yes, you can.
Whoa, look at it. I wonder what flavor this will be. Oh, vanilla! But Christian, what's this on the vanilla gelato?
This is the vanilla pods we use to make the gelato.
Whoa, didn't know vanilla came from a pod. Sure is tasty. Whoa, and I think I know what flavor this is. Can you guess what flavor this gelato is? Yeah, cookies and cream, because of all the cookies. Well, is this a popular flavor?
Very popular. We put a lot of cookies into it.
Ooh, I really like this flavor. Yeah, I think I could eat it all day, but we have more gelato to try. Okay. Green gelato? Huh. This is tasty. Christian, what flavor is this?
This is pistachio gelato.
Oh, pistachio. Yeah, that's a kind of nut. It has a shell, and when you take the shell off of it, it's green.
We use pistachios from Sicily, and they are so tasty because they grow on the side of the volcano in Sicily.
Whoa, wait a minute. These pistachios grow on the side of a volcano?
That's right.
Whoa, this is one of the best flavors yet. Yeah, it's kind of nutty. And it's really sweet and creamy. Wow. And to think that these pistachios were from the side of a volcano. Whoa! That's pretty good. I think I could eat this all day. Well, I'm having a lot of fun trying it, but this is so tasty. I wonder, how is gelato made? Oh, Christian, do you think you could teach us how to make gelato?
I think I can.
Okay, let's go.
Follow me.
Okay.
Come on in, Blippi.
Whoa, look at this place. Where are we?
We are in the gelato kitchen.
Whoa, well, check it out. There are so many big machines to make all the gelato. Well, Christian, what's the first thing we need to do to make gelato?
We need to change our outfit and become gelato scientists.
Gelato scientists? Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Whoa, check it out. We look like real gelato scientists. Well, Christian, how do we make gelato?
Well, we need a gelato chef.
Oh, that's good. Oh, but wait, what kind of gelato should we make? Well, I really like the color orange, and I love mangoes. Can we make mango gelato?
Of course we can.
Okay, great. Well, we should probably meet the chef, right?
Yep,
Okay.
let's call him.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Blippi. What's your name?
my name is Andrea.
Andrea, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you teach us how to make gelato?
Of course.
Okay, well, what's the first step?
The first step is to pour ingredients.
Whoa, and check it out. It looks like these are all the ingredients we need. So what are they?
Milk first.
Okay. Whoa, here we go. Pouring in some milk. Whoa! Oh, looks like we're gonna make a lot of gelato today. Whoa, and is this also milk?
This is cream.
Whoa, check it out. Double cream. Whoa! Can I try pouring this in?
Of course.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! 1 and 2. Well, we added the milk and cream.
And sugar.
Ooh. Whoa. Check it out. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. There's so much sugar.
And some water.
Whoa. And look, it looks like the sugar is so fine that it's kind of smoky.
Some water.
Okay, let's do it.
We need to mix them.
Oh, well, so do we mix it here?
Yes, with the blender.
Whoa. And Andrea, this is a blender?
Yes.
Oh, well, how does it work?
You put inside and we start.
Whoa! Can I try holding it?
Yes, of course.
Whoa, here we go. Whoa! Look at it! We're mixing all the ingredients! Woo! Whoa, that's pretty fun. Look at it go. How long do we need to mix this for?
It's ready.
Oh, it's good? Okay.
Yeah, we can stop.
Whoa. Yeah, you want to hit the red button, stop, when you're done mixing. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, Andrea and I made this amazing batch of gelato mix, but Andrea, it's not frozen.
It's not frozen.
What do we do next?
We have to put it in the machine.
Whoa, check it out. Whoa, here we go. There's a big machine over here, and what's this supposed to do?
This is a pasteurizer.
Oh, whoa. So is that gonna heat up the milk?
He ate the milk, yes.
Oh, good. Yeah, it'll make it nice and safe to eat. Okay, here we go. Maybe you can help me with this part.
Yes, I can.
It's really heavy. And Andrea, he's really strong. Woo!
Close the machine and we start.
Whoa! We started the machine, but when will it be done?
About 15 minutes.
Okay, we'll be back in 15 minutes. Whoa! We did it! We waited 15 minutes and now it's ready to add the best ingredient. But how do we get it out of the machine?
Take it out from there.
Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, here it comes. Whoa! Whoa, and at this point, this is really hot. Yeah, I heated it up so that it's safe to eat. So you don't want to get your hands too close to it. Whoa. Whoa! Okay, and then we bring that back up here, right? Andrea, what do we do now?
Can you help me with the mango?
Yeah, check it out. We have mango. Woo! Yeah, and it's orange. Okay, time to add this to the mix. Look at it go. Whoa! Whoa! I cannot wait for this to be amazing gelato. It's gonna be so yummy, so fruity. Okay, and you wanna use the spatula to get all the big bits out. There we go, and a little bit more. We want this to be extra mango-y. Okay, but I think it needs to get mixed again. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, let's mix it again. Woohoo! Whoa, look at it! The mix, it's changing colors! What do we do next?
We put again in the machine.
Okay, whoa, yeah, but a different part of the machine this time, because it's gonna get really cold. Yeah, The first time, we put it in the top so it could get hot and pasteurized. And now, we're putting it in here to get frozen into yummy gelato. And then we can eat it. Well, you're really good at this. You don't want to go too fast with pouring it, because then it could make a mess. What do we do now?
Another 15 minutes.
Another 15 minutes? Okay, well, we can wait. But this time, I want to do what I love to do while we wait. Time to dance. Oh, and we need Christian for this. Come on. Time for a gelato dance. Whoa, that was fun dancing. Good job. But now it's time to get out the gelato. Whoa, look at it. Whoa, it's so fluffy and creamy. I can't wait to taste it. And look, the mango is orange, but because we put it in the mixture, it looks kind of yellow now. Whoa. Whoa. Look at it, we did it. We made gelato. Do you think I could taste some?
Of course.
Okay. Whoa, and is that a spatula you're using?
Yes.
Whoa, yeah, you don't use an ice cream scoop for gelato. Yeah, you have a gelato spatula. For me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. We did it. Oh, hi, Christian.
Hi.
Whoa, look at this. We made mango gelato. Well, I wanted to say thank you so much for teaching me all about gelato. I had so much fun today.
Thank you for coming.
Well, I'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.
Woohoo, ciao. We did it. We made mango gelato. And now it's time to taste it. Here we go. Oh. Whoa, it tastes just like a mango. It's so creamy and sweet and yummy. That was delicious. Yeah, today was so much fun. We learned all about gelato from Christian, got to try so many flavors, and we learned how to make it. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, good job. Well, I'll see you soon. I gotta finish off this gelato. Here we go.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!